Welcome back to designing and publishing a website in Figma Sites. In this episode, I want to take a look at the About Us page again, and I want to focus on this section because I realized that this section looks rather ordinary, and it shouldn't, because the mission and the vision of the company is basically the whole point of why the company exists, okay? At least as presented to the public, or as presented to, the public. So I want to take a moment to actually sketch out a new solution, a new idea that I had for this specific section. And it could be an interesting and fun layout to actually complete. So let's get into it and let me show you what I have in mind. So I think that we could actually make a full width element. Okay, so it's going to be a full width element that's going to span across the entire page. It's going to be very prominent. It's going to have a dark background, probably a photo. Let's specify that later, okay? And before we continue, I want to also tell you that you can, of course, download the source file for all of this, so you can get lifetime access for everything we have created and will create in this series by checking the link in the description. And also, if you want to meet me on a one-to-one live call, you can also book one by using one of the links in the description. So if that's something you're interested in, coaching or consulting, definitely go and check out the link in the description. All right, so this element that I have in mind would have this headline also. So it's going to be also what we stand for. So what we stand for. And we would have a line dividing it from the rest of the content. Okay, so keep in mind that it's going to be like a dark photo in the background, and we're going to have kind of an icon, for example, like an actual target icon, and that one could be mission, and the other one could be an eye, and that could be the vision. Okay, mission, vision, and it would of course start with the mission highlighted. So I'm thinking this could be like a moving line. And this mission, I think, could be then showcased with a photo on the right. So there could be something on the photo, something inspirational, maybe a person speaking, I don't know. And then we would get this text on the left side over here. So there would be like a description. Maybe there would be some kind of a graphic over here, maybe a big number, who knows, maybe there would be 2 paragraphs, but I want to make this kind of like prominent, make it really stand out from the rest of the content. And of course then you could switch over to the second state of this element, which would be the vision, right? So what we stand for, why don't I just duplicate this? Let me duplicate all of this. And then, of course, you would have the vision would be highlighted, okay, like this. And it could be also a lighter color. You can't see it here, but this text itself could be highlighted as well, along with the icon. So you would get these 2 kind of states in this component. And I think there could be a different photo. There could be a different photo, something else. Maybe even, the text could be on the right side to make it a bit more different, a little bit more, interesting. We could have a lot of fun with actually arranging this layout specifically, but the key thing here is we want to make this prominent. Now we need to think about the mobile version. So how would this actually work on mobile? So this situation over here, this kind of a header of this component, right? This header, it's pretty wide. So how do we situate this on mobile, right? I think we could do it in the following way. We could do a headline that could break, if needed, what we stand for, and then we could have one icon, one smaller headline, second icon, second small headline. And you would get, again, it would be divided like this. And then the photo would be somewhere around here. And you would get a highlight on, of course, on the state that would be currently selected. So in this case, that's, mission. Then the vision one would be basically identical to this, but it would have the other headline with the icon highlighted. Okay. Let me move this. delete this. So something like this, okay? And you could, of course, click through these back and forth. You would be able to do that. Also, this one back and forth, so it would be an interactive component essentially, right? So, and if you take a look at this looks way better. This looks way better. I'm gonna do a thumbs up. That's a thumbs up, by the way, horrible looking thumbs up, but never mind. But I think that it's gonna be better replacement for this section. This is just too simple. And if you wanna present just the overall meaning of why the company exists, you wanna do something important, okay? And also, it's also compact. It's gonna be contrasting. So we're gonna definitely be able to make this look way more interesting. Okay, so let me just do a headline. What we stand for section, and it's going to be an interactive component. And also we're going to use the make an image for this. So we're going to think about what to put there actually, and we're going to generate an image using Figma's AI. So we're going to see how that actually works, if that's actually useful, and we're going to use that instead of searching for photos on a stock photo database. We're going to go directly from here. And don't worry if you don't have access to this AI, you're going to be able to use any image for this. So it's going to be completely up to you. But I personally want to try this out and see if it has any merit. Okay. So just a very quick update for today, a very quick plan and wireframe for this section. Hope you're excited. I think this is going to be great. If you want to get the source file, check the link in the description. If you want to meet me, also check the link in the description. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and I will see you in the next one.